can see, this dresser top was in pretty rough shape. And the most common reason for laminate furniture to bubble is excessive moisture. The moisture gets between the particle board or MDF and the decorative laminate top, and this causes swelling and bubbles to appear. It can also be due to excessive heat, poor bonding or installation, and hard wear and tear over the years can also cause damage. But generally, the most common reason for laminate furniture to bubble is excessive moisture or something spilling on it. It's the damp or the wet, which was certainly the case in this piece. I saw it walking my dog in my neighborhood. It was put out to the trash, to the curbside for bulk day. And the first few days I passed it by, it was in, it looked pretty darn good, and then it rained. If I was smart, I would have picked it up before the rain hit it, but then I decided, you know what, this piece is too good to let slide by, so I finally picked it up. However, the damage had already been done. But challenge on. This was a great learning experience for me on how to fix laminate top, and I get to share it with you. So let's get started. To watch the full tutorial and see the before and after, just click on the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.